will show you how to install Data Analysis Tool Pack. First, open your Excel file. Okay, and then click File. Scroll down to Options. Click. Okay, and then click Add-ins. Double click. Okay, and then so you will see this page. Choose Analysis Tool Pack. Okay, choose Analysis Tool Pack, and then Excel Add-ins. Go. Click or tick Analysis Tool Pack. Analysis Tool Pack VBA. Okay. Okay. So click Data. Okay. On your right side, you will see Data Analysis. So this is the analysis tools that will be used for advanced level. Close. That's all, and thank you.